scene at the headquarters of GE, one of the largest manufacturers of major appliances in the world. Today we begin our tour with GE expert Sam Scott to bring us up to date on the latest in GE cooking appliances. What do you have there, Sam?
Just when you thought there couldn't possibly be anything else new in GE cooking products, I'm going to tell you we've got more new products. 3 brand new GE and Profile over-the-range microwave ovens. We've got one GE model, this 1950, and 2 Profile models. What's new here is increased capacity. Our 1.8 cubic foot model has gone to 1.9. The 1.9 cubic foot model has gone to 2.1 cubic feet. Now, everybody has had that frustrating experience with their microwave oven of trying to clean out the stuff that dries on the interior of the oven. We've addressed that cleanability nightmare with microwave ovens with a brand new oven interior. Instead of a painted finish, we're using a porcelain enamel finish that is fused to the steel. This is the same porcelain enamel that we use inside the oven itself. So it is very rugged, it's very robust, it's very hard. Porcelain enamel is non-porous, therefore it is very easy to clean. It is scratch resistant, so it is going to be easy to clean. The beauty of a microwave oven is foods don't burn on in a microwave oven. Traditional range, you've got temperatures of 350 to 450 degrees, not only drying the food on, but burning it on. In a microwave, since a microwave energy only will heat oils, sugar, and moisture to 212 degrees, boiling, the food spatters dry on, they don't burn on. So a wet paper towel, a wet sponge, easily wipe out the interior of the oven. Additional features we've added to the oven is the ability to address power consumption. Everybody is focused on power consumption throughout our society. And a microwave oven, even though it's used only for a few minutes at breakfast, a few minutes at lunch, and a few minutes at dinner, uses power 24 hours a day. We've got a solution to that constant power usage. This button here is a power saver button. Simply touching the button will turn off the clock so you're not drawing power 24 hours a day. Total energy savings, while not great, the magnitude of that will be in hundreds of thousands and millions of microwave ovens sold over time that you don't have that power usage, cold and oil not burned in power plants just to run the clock. Other features we've added, everybody is trying to eat more healthy. We've added 2 features to address those people that want to eat more healthy. The first is the U.S. Department of Agriculture has their recommended foods to eat, the portions and the quantities of grains, fruits, vegetables, and protein. We have taken that, and they call it My Plate. We have incorporated that with 15 different foods and 44 combinations of pre-programmed healthy foods that you can cook in your microwave. Also, to address healthy eating for those that want to try to do a better job of eating healthy foods, we have added a steam cook feature to the microwave oven. We have taken a number of vegetables, programmed in to make it very easy to steam cook those vegetables in your microwave oven. Greater capacity, easier cleanability, lowered your total carbon footprint by turning off the clock with a power saver feature, My Plate, USDA, healthy eating, and a steam cook feature.